Ka Rotary Club Jowai hakasing saitjaiñ kala pynlong ya ka jingïalang ban pynrung dkhot thymmai ni ka Induction Ceremonny jong snem arhajar arpuar kabla long ha Infinity Conference Hall Mooralong Jowai. Ya ka jingïalang la pynïaid og Montri Passah MPHF President Rotary Club Jowai bat la ïashim bentalang da ka rwai ka National Anthem da baroh ki dkhot. La yu aruban pule ka profile jong Fencing Syrti ubadeu dkhot ba pynïasoh thymmai bat ka Rotary Club Jowai. Rotarian E.F.Gatphoh MPHF Charter President haba jingkren kum ka kongsan. Kala pynkymmaw ba ki barung dkhot hapo ka Rotary Club ki day banlong ki badan buram na marka day kaseng ka badan benta ha kaleng kiri ka prathai. Kala kenturu ba day ban omkut tang ha kanam nrei day ruban traykam kat kum ki riti ki dustur jong ka Rotary International. Nakalyang u Rotarian SK Latu MPHF ula pensngov shaphang ki nongrim traykam jong kaseng bat ong ya ki parad khot ba ki day banlong ki batray shitam ban le ki kam babha ki imlang salang. Ya ki kentian ay khublay layo na Rotarian DBM RFSM ubla puliru ya ka soskular.
Of a new members in Rotary, which is motto for our club, service above self. And
prestige. Rotary members are prominent people. Rotary members are prominent people. Leader of business, profession, government, in religion, and in all disciplines. Rotary Club, as what he said that, is the oldest and the most prestigious service club in the world. As a nice person, it is nice to be important, but it is important to be nice. Opportunity to serve. Motto, service above self. Here we have got an opportunity to serve. Rotary service, its business is mankind. You remember, Rotary service, its business is mankind. Its product is service. We believe he profit most who's their best. You can give to the world the best you can, and the best will come back to you. So